Hello everyone. Start off by taking some tissue paper and then fold it over on either side and then make it overlap. Make this diamond-like shape out of it, fold the top edge over and now stick tape on one of the ends after rolling it over. Afterwards, puff out all of the crevices that you've created and put it around your finger. Next, take a 20 by 20 centimeter sheet paper, fold it over multiple times and make the shape out of it. Then take a black marker and make these heart shapes to it. Connect them using this line and then cut it out accordingly. Once you open it out, this is what it should look like. Next, we'll start off by taking an egg and then empty its contents. Now make these shapes and then begin to stick it all over the sides and the top. You will be making a dinosaur. Don't forget to add the eyes to it as well as a cute little smile. Next, take a transparent glove, add the beak to it and then add the top to it as well. Add tape to the fingers and then stick on feathers to it as such. Now stick this around a cup, add a rubber band to it and stick in a straw to it as well. Blow air in it to puff it out. Next, take a container and then stick paper all around as such. Now, take white paper and then stick it on into the shape of ears. Add eyes to it, add a little nose and then a mouth as well. In the bottom of the container, add light to it and stick it in. Now use it as a hanging decoration. Next, take multiple sticks and then make them 11 centimeters long. Stick them all around and then form a base out of it. Afterwards, add a frame to it and then make it look like a chair. Add the detailing to it as well. Next, take a leaf, multiple of them, and then cut off the stems. Make these different eye shapes and then add ears to the top and then stick these eyes to it. Add a little snout to them as well. These will make different wolf shapes or dog shapes as well. This is what it should look like. Next, take this orange, peel out the top of it and remove the fruit portion of it. Now using a marker, add eyes and a cute little mouth to it as well. Stick on the ears using 2 sticks as such to the top of it. Now add it on top of a light and this is what it should look like. Take an expandable straw and then cut either side of it. Now make a slit right through it and spread it out as such. Add tape onto one of the ends. As for the bottom of it, make multiple slits to it as such. Roll it around any sort of earbud and this is what it should look like. Next, take a sponge or dishwashing sponge, add a rubber band in the middle of it, add 2 rubber bands on either ends of it as well, on the top and the bottom. Add eyes to it as well as a cute mouth and add a heart in the center. Next, start off by taking a bottle and then afterwards take a sprayer as well. Make a small slit in the bottom and then add the sprayer to it. Now stick it as such. Afterwards, you can use it. Next, we'll start off by taking a cup, make these markings on it using a marker, make multiple slits out of it and flatten it out. Afterwards, after getting this cross shape, make a hole in the center and then cut up a straw, spread it out as such. Use this as a tool to pick it up. Next, take an egg, empty out its contents. Now after you've cleaned it out, insert a flower and some leaves into it as such. Once you've put it in, add some water to it and now put it somewhere. Make 4 of these together, let it freeze and now this is what it should look like. Make multiple of these to make it look all the more better. Next, start off by taking a 20 by 20 sheet, fold it over multiple times to make this triangular shape. Now draw on this shape to it and after you are done with this, begin to cut out the holes that you have created. Once you open it, this is what it should look like. Take an egg that is boiled and then cut out a small slit of it. Now make another small slice on either end. Do not cut all the way through, however. Make this triangular like cut out of it and insert it to the top in order to make the tail and the ears of this. Add something in the front to make the eyes of it as well. Start off by taking a circular sheet of paper, add another circle within it, fold it over multiple times, join it together and now fold it into half, stick it together, spread it, stick 2 of them together as such. Thank you for watching.